Grade 10s. Now solid geometry gets more interesting. Look what happened. It's tilted and now two different views is given. Again, they give you the front view. Let me just label it. Okay. But the second one is not a left or right view. It's an auxiliary view. And how I know this is usually if they say auxiliary view, it's usually the view that has a prominent basic shape, like a triangle or a hexagon or a square or a pentagon, octagon, and so on. Okay, so this is a triangular prism. So the one that shows a triangle part of the prism will count as the auxiliary view. So they only gave you the front view and then the auxiliary view, which acts as a view that's going to help you. They want you to draw the top view and the left view. So top will be somewhere here and left will be somewhere here because it's first angle. Okay, but let's first just draw the picture itself. Okay, it's at a 45-degree angle. One. Okay, so I'm busy drawing a triangle. Say. Okay, and please don't use a pen. I'm just using a pen to make it more clear on the video. Okay. Then project up. The angle is 45 as that's what they gave us. There we go. And I'm going to add the new cutting planes. So I'm going to draw an X1, Y1 line here. And we need a top view. I'm going to draw the make space here for the top view there. Okay, so you see for every new XY line I add, you just increase the number. And before we do anything else, now the numbering is going to be crucial and you'll see why. Okay, so there's two sides of 3 points each. So I'm going to make the one side A, B, C and the other side 1, 2 and 3. I will put the letters at the top, so that's A, B, C and then 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to project it across. Now the projection is going to work a bit different this time. Okay, you can still use the classic projection method, but not for the first one. So here's a recommendation I have immediately to save time. I'm gonna do both pictures at the same time. Now this is where the auxiliary view comes into play. Okay, so this is just a helping view. You have to get the front view, left view and top view from this view. But now look what you do. This is where the XY lines are so important and where your numbers are so important. So from this XY line to the auxiliary view, I'm going to measure it. Okay, so that's the distance for XY to A, to 1, to C, and 3. Now look what I'm going to do. Let's look for A. There's A. Okay. There's 1. There's C. There's C, same, and then where's 3? Here's 3. Then this, while I've got this set to that side, I'm going to do it for the top view as well. So 1, C, and 3. And now add your labels as well. And then it's 1, A, C, and 3. Then we have 1 left, and that's B and 2. So there's B, and there's 2. And while I've got the same measurement, I'm going to look for B here and 2. Now you could have drawn the one picture and then projected to the other one, but I feel like this is quicker. So B, 2, 2, and B. Now, the reason we have letters and numbers, top view is from this side. So what's the first thing you see if you go from top to bottom? The letters, so they are above and the numbers are below. And this will influence where you add hidden detail. Okay, so I'm going to first highlight A, B, and C. And then here's the hidden detail. From 2 to 3 is behind. It's below, so it's going to be hidden detail. Okay, so there's the top view of this image. Now let's draw the left view. And there you go. Et voila, there's the answer. Okay. Now let's do the right view together as well, because this is now a pyramid, not a prism. So I just want to make sure that you understand both types of concepts. So they're either going to give you some kind of prism shape or pyramid shape. Now for the right view. On the right view side, let me just first draw again what they gave us. Now again, I'm just using a pen so that you can see it more clearly. Please don't use a pen. And now here's a question. How do we get the middle? Look at this, something we did in the beginning of the year. Half a corner into two of the triangle's corners. There. Okay, there's the auxiliary view. Okay, now we have to number it. So it's A1, 2. Remember, you can number it any way. It just needs to correlate to one another. So the A is there. My 1 is here. There's 2 and there's 3. Okay. Now they want a top view and a left view again, just like on the left side. That's x1, y1. x2, y2. And then, like I said, to save time, remember this is your auxiliary view. This is the view that you get the top and the left from. So first project all your numbered corners and labeled corners to the top and to the side. Okay. Now you grab your compass. Let's start with 1 again. Now look at 1 and my 3 is at the same distance away, so I'm going to do both of them on both views. So there's 1, there's 3, and remember it's always from xy to xy, otherwise it's not going to work out. Three, 1, 3. A and A. Then we still just need to add 2. Ah, come on. Let's try again. Two and 2. And let's connect them together. Now, let's just focus on this. It's from the top, so A, 1 and 2 is visible, and 3 will be invisible. Okay, so that's going to be hidden detail. Now I'm a bit unsure, so just to play it safe, let me just quickly first add it in pencil. Got it. There we go. Oh, I know what I was doing wrong. I was looking at it from a top view. This is the left view. It's from here. Whoops. Okay, so then that's a simple thing to fix. Let's try this again. Sorry, I was looking at it from a top view perspective, but it's actually a left view. So that's solid. There we go. Lesson you learned here as a bonus, that's why you don't use pens. There you go. Have fun with this picture, and see you in the next video.